starting today's program with Marathi Abhanga originally sung by Lata Mangeshkar. Swati Pandey ji is providing keyboard accompaniment. She is trained artist and guru in Hindustani classical and light music with over 15 plus years of experience. She has earned the degree of Prabhakar from Prayag Sangeet Samiti, Allahabad in both Hindustani classical as well as in tabla. She specializes in semi-classical bhajan, ghazal and Bhojpuri folk. A software professional, Sangeeta Shenoy ji is providing manjira accompaniment, began her musical journey at a young age in Hindustani classical vocal under the guidance of very accomplished gurus. She has been giving public concerts in light classical vocal and Sugam Sangeet. She has had the privilege of accompanying eminent artists like Sri Sridhar Phadke, Srimati Aarti Anklikar. She also had the opportunity to open the concert for Shreya Ghoshal in San Jose in 2012. She conducts vocal classes for aspiring students. Granddaughter of late Shri Purushottam Valavalkar, Shri Maji will be accompanying on harmonium. She has been introduced to Indian classical music at a very young age. She has attended several music concerts and received blessings from stalwarts from the rich heritage of Indian classical music. Since childhood, she has performed at several musical functions, get-togethers, both on and off stage, and won several competitions and accolades. Jaya Sharma ji is going to perform Kathak on this piece. Sandhya ji has learned Carnatic classical music for 12 years under the tutelage of Vidwan Govinda Rao and Vidwan R.K. Padmanabhan. She now sings bhajans composed by Haridas during regular satsang gatherings. Thank you Manoj ji, Satish Gadakar ji and Pradeep ji for your valuable time and assistance to the team. Now let's put our hands together for Sundarate Dhyana group. Thank you.
Thank you.